In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Telus customer service or support. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what you need to do is open up a web browser and head on over to telus.com. Now, once you're here, you want to click on the three horizontal bars on the top right hand corner of the page here. And now scroll down and look for support. Will be near the bottom left of the page. Now give that a few moments to load. And now scroll near the bottom, and if you keep scrolling, you'll see a little chat box that will appear. You can go ahead and click onto that if you like and speak to a live customer service rep. So if we want to do that, go ahead and click onto it. And as it says here, a quick and easy way to find information, manage your account 24/7. A virtual assistant can help. It will connect you to a live agent, because that's what we want to do. We want to talk to a live customer service agent. So from here, click on, if you are currently a Telus customer, click yes. If you're not, click no, and then go through the prompts. And then after that, you'll be speaking to the the virtual assistant, and just say, can I speak to a live agent? And they'll redirect you to one.